Are you finding yourself wishing for more link clicks on Pinterest? We totally get it. Pinterest is an incredible platform for driving traffic to your website or blog, but getting those clicks can sometimes be a bit of a challenge. But fear not, because today, we've got your back. We're here to share some awesome tips that will help you skyrocket your link clicks on Pinterest. So, let's jump right in and get those clicks flowing. Remember, Pinterest is not just a social platform. It's a search engine too. People come here to find stuff they're interested in. So, make your pins searchable by using relevant keywords in your pin titles and descriptions. This way, your pins will pop up when users are searching for something similar. Add a clear call to action. Give your audience a reason to click on your pins. Whether it's a captivating headline, an exciting offer, or an intriguing promise, a compelling call to action can entice people to click through and explore your content. It is all about creating those oh-so-popular tips pins. Let's say you have a fantastic blog article about 50 modern fashion ideas. Create a pin that teases these tips and directs people to your blog for the full scoop. People love getting useful information, and these types of pins can drive more clicks. Everybody loves freebies and giveaways. Offering something valuable for free can work wonders to attract clicks. Think free resources, printables, or even entering users into a giveaway. It's a win-win situation. Be patient. Rome wasn't built in a day, and neither is Pinterest's success. Building a following and getting more link clicks takes time. Stay consistent, keep pinning, and the clicks will come. So, there you have it, 5 practical tips to boost your link clicks on Pinterest. Remember, make your pins searchable, use compelling call to actions, create those irresistible tips pins, offer freebies, and most importantly, be patient. Now it's your turn. Start implementing these tips and watch your Pinterest game soar. Thanks for watching. I hope you found these tips helpful. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more great content. Also, be sure to share this video with your friends who are on Pinterest. The more people who know about these tips, the more people will be clicking on your pins. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you next time.